Okay, it's that time of the day when I give you a walk around or to give you an idea of where my car is at right now. The R6 trunk close. Yeah, that's the key. Yeah. Okay, close. I'll go for the key and come back. Key. Can't open my trunk. So let me Mr. Dogger. Can't open my trunk now. Crap, a phone nearly drop. Trunk open. Yeah. Let's start the tour from the trunk here. Well, this is what I'm going to do today. Install this oil catch can in my engine bay. I'll get this catch can, so you know that only steel braided lines will work with this one, and these are the adapters that's going to make that possible. Normally what people do is weld some adapters or connection for the fittings right on your valve cover right here and here, but because I'm using these adapters, I'm not going to do any welding on my valve cover. I'm going to make the connection from here, this breather section, and send one to the catch can, and then one from the catch can to that and the pipe. So any blow by would get filtered through the catch can and go back to the intake pipe, instead of a straight connection from the valve cover to the intake pipe. You have another catch can type which that connects to this, the PCV valve, but I'm not going to use that one. As you can see, it's this one I'm using. Alright, oil catch can. Now the reason for oil catch can is more time you have blow bys, whereas this engine is well over 10 years old, and with this type of engine you will normally have blow by. That now is when oil pass your rings and come up in the combustion chamber, and then it will pass through this little breather section. Your valve cover come up in the valve cover, pass through the breather section as fumes, and more time, because this is connected to the intake pipe, that fumes will then get sucked back in through the intake, and you will have some buildup of oil and gunk in your throttle body. Also you will have buildup of what it's called again, carbon on your valve because of that. So I'm just trying to reduce that now by installing the oil catch can. next. This going to install this one next. Down on that part of the intake, just going to remove that little piece of hose. No biggie. Alright, I was planning to next install the lines, but I think I should install this first, then I will know how to run the line. Next thing, because if you notice, the lines have a straight connection and a 90-degree, so I think I should install this first, then I would know how which end to use to connect on this and that. I just thinking that I'm just going to mount this here for in the meantime. In the future I'll probably mount it different, but for now I'm going to work with this right here. I can't find any, I don't see a perfect spot to mount this. You can put it in the comment where I can mount it still, but right now I'm going to mount it right here. Yeah. Alright, so that's it now. That's it with the eye catch can fully installed and the battery back in. So that's it. But just an idea of how it look with everything back in, with the battery back in. So that's it. Can go on. Yeah, man. So that's just my way of installing an eye catch can. I'm not sure if I see anybody with the steel braided line and the adapters, but when I saw this is what came to mind, how to install it, and alright, turned out quite fine. So as I said before, if you're new to the channel, just subscribe and like, share and post comments, and I'll see you on another vlog.